ममता बनर्जी इज कम्युनल। आज मेरा 2022 से एक ही एजेंडा है, ममता भगाओ बांग्ला बचाओ। इस बार मुंह तोड़ जवाब देगा बंगाल। 2016 only 3, 2021 77, now 177 plus। সোনার বাংলা বাঁচানোর লড়াই মোদিজি গ্যারেন্টার। বিজেপি আসছে আসছে আসছে।
One thing about Bengal is Hindu, Muslims, everybody is peaceful. But we have a lot of other problems, poverty, unemployment. But you are raising Ghuspetia and polarization. That is what everybody is saying. Why are they raising polarization, Hindu-Muslim? That's against Bengal.
Mamata Banerjee is trying to polarize. She is trying to instigate the Muslims. Mamata Banerjee is communal. Her agenda is communal. She is trying to consolidate Muslim vote bank through her appeasement politics. We are not.
But every now and again, Ghuspetia, they are coming.
It's a genuine issue.
But it's anti-Muslim actually.
No. We are in favor of Indian Muslims. They are our brothers and sisters. We are against the non-Indian Muslims, those who are infiltrators, especially Rohingya and Bangladeshi Muslims. In our border, 600 kilometers, there is no fencing. Mamata Banerjee's government not providing adequate land to the MHA.
They are consolidating the Muslims. Are you consolidating the Hindu vote?
It's vice versa. We are working in favor of Indian people, not for a particular people. But here, Mamata Banerjee's government, especially her police, they torture the Hindu people due to their religion faith. In Durga Puja and Kali Puja, everybody went to the Calcutta High Court for grant permission. The police objected. Why? In Ram Navami procession, every time stone pelting by the miscreants, police is silent, not using their power. Last Beldanga incident, Mamata Banerjee told in front of media, especially Friday, they are doing something. I am not opposing them. What type of sentences she used?
90 lakh voters are debarred or prevented from casting their voting rights. Don't you think it's unfair? And the election commission, the main opposition party, TMC, the main ruling party, doesn't have faith.
90 lakhs voters. Now I am not talking regarding the number. I am supporting election commission and SIR process because the death voter, fake voters, double triple entry voters and non-Indian voter names should remove from the list. It's our mandatory practices to save the Indian, to save the constitution, and fresh voter list is the first and main criteria to hold the transparent election.
You are accusing infiltrators of supporting TMC, but Mamata ji says that you are an infiltrator party. You only come to Bengal when there is an election. Otherwise, you are a Hindu party not belonging to Bengal.
It's a very narrow politics, sectarian politics. Mamata Banerjee always try to bifurcate the Sanatani in the name of language, in the name of caste. But she not any time said that they are Urdu speaking Muslim, they are Bengali speaking Muslim. Bihari are Bahari, Gujarati are Bahari, Marathi are Bahari, UP are Bahari, are Bangladeshi infiltrators and especially the Muslim or Rohingyas are damad. इस बार मुंह तोड़ जवाब देगा बंगाल.
I just want to ask you, one of the strong planks is that we will improve the economy of Bengal. She has failed, infrastructure is bad, etc. But the problem is that what analysts are saying, every state where there's a BJP, from Bihar to UP to Chhattisgarh to Madhya Pradesh to Jharkhand to Rajasthan, all of them the income is lower than Bengal. How are you going to improve Bengal when your double engine is not working in all these states?
Working smoothly,
But the
satisfactory.
income is lower.
I am not accepting your theory. Here in Bengal, approx 1 crore migrant laborers. They are working in Maharashtra, Gujarat, Odisha, and other BJP NDA rule state. They are earning there and sending money to here.
No, I'm giving you your government statistics.
No, I am not going the statistics. I am talking on the basis of the ground reality. I am seeing, I am feeling. In my constituency, Nandigram, there are 30,000 migrant labor. In Maharashtra, 7,000. In Odisha, 2,000. In Gujarat, 4,000. They are earning there and sending money here. 2 crore 15 lakh unemployed youth. Mamata Banerjee shut down 51 employment exchange. During her regime, 6,888 industry left Bengal, including Tata. It's a disaster. You please go one government school, one teacher, 2 teacher, no teacher school are functioning. 90,000 educational institutions shut down.
Your government statistics are wrong. Your government statistics.
No, I am passing no comment.
Every person who's an Indian should be allowed to vote, right? See, why is it, if you want to do an SI, I agree with that. Why wasn't it enough with the last general election? So that you don't have this last moment business. I have no problem with the SI. I think we are right. Only citizens should vote.
Year 2004, when parliament election happened, before that 2002, SIR
So why not
happened
2024?
and a fresh voter list published by the ECI 1st January 2003. Mamata Banerjee contested the election. Her party lost the election. She personally won 1 seat in South Calcutta. It's not new. In SIR and census, it's a continuous process of our great country.
But it wasn't done after the 2024 election. It could have been done, no?
No. It's a Mamata Banerjee thing. Here in Bengal, 6 months, a long span. In Bihar, only 45 days. Everything concluded. RJD Congress opposed SIR, but ultimately they fought the election. They lost the battle.
2019 के बाद जितने भी चुनाव हुए हैं, जहां जहां स्टेट गवर्नमेंट्स ने महिलाओं के खाते में पैसा दिया है, वो सभी सरकारें वापस चुनी गई है. यहाँ भी आपके यहाँ लकी भंडार चल रहा है, जिसमें सबसे ज़्यादा 2 करोड़ 40 लाख महिलाओं के खाते में पैसा जा रहा है. तो आपको लगता है कि ये बहुत बड़ा आप लोगों का एक ड्रॉबैक है और टीएमसी का बहुत बड़ा
देखिए,
प्लस पॉइंट
ये 1000 रुपया था, तब भी बीजेपी को 2 करोड़ 33 लाख 27,000 वोट मिला था. SIR में 90% लॉस टीएमसी का हुआ. फेक वोटर, डेथ वोटर, इन्फिल्ट्रेटर्स वोटर, दे आर द वोट बैंक ऑफ टीएमसी, नॉट बीजेपी. इसलिए इस बार बंगाल में नौकरी बड़ा मुद्दा और वोमेन सेफ्टी इज ए बिग इशू. You see Panihati, the mother of RGK death victim, she contested election from BJP. In Hingolganj, Srimati Rekha Patra contested the election from BJP. She is representing from Sandeshkhali women. In Tumpa Koyal, in Kamduni case, Tumpa joined BJP. Every woman, they want safety and security. और हमारी चीफ मिनिस्टर खुद जब दुर्गापुर मेडिकल कॉलेज में हादसा हुआ गैंग रेप, उन्होंने खुद बता दिया आफ्टर इवनिंग डोंट गो आउट फ्रॉम योर हाउस. ये बहुत अच्छा बात नहीं है.
But if you were really keen on women votes, shouldn't you have given more women candidates in this election? You have about 20, they have 50 plus women candidates. why don't you give more women candidates seats?
Please wait. On 16th to 18th, a big decision will be happening in Parliament. The women reservation. From 1996, everybody shouted women reservation in Parliament, in the Assembly. Only Narendra Modi is doing in favor of ladies.
2021 you did not do well. Since 2021 to now, there have been 21 by-elections. You have lost all 21 by-elections. Not one.
Here is
Isn't
Bengal.
that worrying you?
Rigged.
Rigged.
Fully. Police are cadre. IPAC is manipulating. And Mamata Banerjee used her machinery very badly. Please wait up to 4th May. BJP will come to the power with thumping majority. 2016, only 3. 2021, 77. Now, 177 plus.
दादा 177 प्लस
Yes, obviously.
हम ये बीजेपी का मुख्यमंत्री पद का चेहरा कौन है, क्योंकि हमने कैंपेनर का लिस्ट देखा, आपसे कहीं ऊपर लिएंडर पेस है।
मेरा 2011 में एजेंडा था सीपीएम भगाओ बांग्ला बचाओ। आज मेरा 2022 से एक ही एजेंडा है, ममता भगाओ बांग्ला बचाओ। मेरा कोई पर्सनल एजेंडा नहीं है। पार्टी ने बोला नंदीग्राम में लड़ो, 65,000 मुसलमान सब ममता को वोट किया, हिंदू ने मुझे एमएलए जिताया। मेरा कोई पर्सनल एजेंडा नहीं है। बंगाल का कोई चुने हुए बीजेपी विधायक की मुख्यमंत्री बनेगी। बीजेपी एक डेमोक्रेटिक पार्टी है।
Are you the next chief minister?
No, I am not saying any comment.
Are we talking to the next
BJP
chief
is a collective family. We all are working to wipe out Mamata Banerjee's regime. उनको हटाने हमारी एकमात्र एजेंडा है। बंगाल को बर्बाद कर दिया, एक कल्चरल कैपिटल ऑफ दिस कंट्री खत्म कर दिया।
They are saying you are working to polarize the country. You are polarizing, dividing
Wrong,
Bengal.
wrong. For that reason, दिल्ली की जीत हमारी है 27 साल बाद। महाराष्ट्र का जीत हमारी है। हरियाणा सब लोग का असेसमेंट खत्म करके बीजेपी आया, और बिहार में इस बार जो हुआ वो तो आप देख ही लिया ना। 2024 हमारी कोलिंगो जीत हुआ है, जय जगन्नाथ। 2025 जय सीता मैया, अंगो को जीत लिया, बाकी है बंगो। इस बार हो जाएगा जय माँ काली बोल के, अंगो बंगो कोलिंगो।
But why is the center not giving Bengal its funds? You're holding back 1 lakh crores. The people of here are suffering.
Please.
I'll give you data.
Nah, I have also data.
Good.
2004 to 2014, during UPA 1, UPA 2, central government provided 2,65,000 crore to state government. 2014 to 2006, 26, 31st March, Narendra Modi's government provided 10 lakh crore to West Bengal.
You are meant to give 11 lakh crores. You give 10 lakh. 1 lakh crore less. Why? Why? It's all in your data. not government data.
No. The additional 1 lakh,
मिलेगा बाद में.
ना क्वेश्चन डज नॉट अराइज। जितना भी है आप मान के चलिए, एक ही स्टेट है जो जीएसटी का ऑडिट रिपोर्ट जमा नहीं किया, उसका बाद भी निर्मला सीतारमण जी ने 90% फंड अलॉट किया। ममता बनर्जी को जाकर बोलिए टीका लगाना बंद करने के लिए। प्रधानमंत्री ग्राम सड़क योजना का नाम बांग्ला ग्राम सड़क नहीं होता। प्रधानमंत्री आवास योजना का नाम बांग्लार बाड़ी नहीं होता। जल जीवन मिशन का नाम जल स्वप्न नहीं होता। प्रधानमंत्री अन्न सुरक्षा का नाम खाद्य साथी नहीं होता। टीका लगाना बंद करने बोलिए, सब ठीक हो जाएगा।
एक चीज बोलूं.
बोलूं।
You will not divide আমার সোনার বাংলা.
সোনার বাংলা বাঁচানোর লড়াই মোদিজি গ্যারেন্টার। বিজেপি আসছে। বাংলা সাংস্কৃতিক রাজধানী ছিল। মমতা ব্যানার্জির সময় রবীন্দ্রনাথ ঠাকুরের ছবি পোড়ানো হয়। আমরা এই বাংলাকে বাঁচাবো। বাঙালির পার্টি, ধুতি পাঞ্জাবিতে থাকা বাঙালির পার্টি। ইয়েস, ডক্টর শ্যামাপ্রসাদ মুখার্জিকে ফুল না দিলে कश्मीर से कन्याकुमारी बीजेपी के का कोई प्रोग्राम नहीं होता। नाना भाषा, नाना मत, नाना परिधान, विविधेर माझे देखो मिलन महान। This is our India. She want greater Bangladesh. She want Prime Minister of the greater Bangladesh. She want Jamaat model. We want Indian model. कश्मीर से कन्याकुमारी देश हमारी, देश हमारा।
Thank you very much.